Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss indeterminate forms part 3rd. So in this part we are discuss about the indeterminate forms of type 1 raised to infinity, infinity raised to 0 and 0 raised to infinity. We are going to discuss these types and how to solve these types. Now let me start. Type number 5. Let me start. Type number 5. We already discussed type number 1, 2, 3, 4 in my previous sessions. So we discuss here type number 5, and this is a 1 raised to infinity, comma infinity raised to 0, comma 0 raised to infinity. Now in this type, to evaluate that type of limits, so I'm writing to evaluate the limits of the type, the limits of the type limit as x tends to a, f of x bracket power here g of x, which takes any one of the above form, any one of the above form, any one of the above form. For f of x, it must be greater than here 0. For f of x must be greater than 0. We proceed as a follow. We proceed as follows. Let limit L equals to, suppose your given limit is now in this way, limit as x tends to a, this is a f of x bracket power here g of x, where fx is greater than 0. So we take then log on both sides, so it will get log of L, that is equal to limit as x tends to here a. Now this is what here g of x into log of f of x. We have to take just log, and I am taking here, after taking the log, this by property of log, power becomes in multiplication of log of f of x. So that's why, which takes the form as like, which takes the form as infinity into 0, that is type number taken, type number third. And type number third is what? That is infinity into here 0. And after that we have to taking this type number third from, we have to solve, we have to solve by using L'Hospital rule, by using L'Hospital rule, guys. I hope you have to understand this very well. Now let's see. I'm going to discuss some example on this type. Now problem number first. What is the problem number first? So let's see. Prove that limit as x tends to 0, a raised to x plus x bracket power 1 by x, and that will equal to, what is that, a into e. We have to prove this. Now let me start the solution. So what is that, or how to write the solution? Let's see. Let given limit as taking as L equals to, that is a limit as x tends to here 0, a raised to x plus x bracket power 1 by x, and it will take the form is, what is that here, you have to observe when x is 0, then it will get here a raised to 0 plus 0, a raised to 0 means 1, and 1 upon x means 1 upon 0 it is 2, that is infinity, means it will take 1 raised to infinity form. It will take 1 raised to infinity form. Now we have to convert this into, or we have to taking for this powers forms, we have to take just the logarithm on both sides. So take log on both sides, or I am taking logarithm on both sides. So after taking the logarithm, so limit like now in this way, log of L, that is equal to here, that is a limit of x tends to 0. Power becomes in multiplication of this log of here a raised to x plus x, a raised to x plus x. I hope you have to understand this. Now this log L, it becomes, that is a limit as x tends to here 0. Now this can be written as, this is a log of here a raised to x plus x divided by here x. Now it will take the form. Now if you have to replace x as 0, so what will you have to getting here, it will have to getting the form as 0 divided by 0 form, means 0 by 0 indeterminate form. So therefore we have to use by L'Hospital rule, by LH rule. The next step becomes, so that will equal to limit as x tends to here 0, take the derivative of log x. So this is log of a raised to x plus x, and derivative of again a raised to x, that is a raised to x here log a. I hope so you have to understanding this. And plus derivative of x is what is that, 1. Plus derivative of x is what is that, 1. This is a L'Hospital rule. We have to taking the derivative of numerator and divided by derivative of denominator. You know what is derivative of denominator is 1, because of that derivative of x is 1. Now there is no any indeterminate form lies is there, therefore we have to directly apply the limits on this. Limits on this means x is replaced as 0. So what we will get here, that is log of a to the base e, guys, because log to the base e is there, plus log of e to the base a, means when we apply limit as x tends to 0, so you will get now this in this way. Now just a minute, I am writing once again. Now the concept will be very clarify is there, so that's why I am writing this step here. So when we replace x as 0, so what will becomes here, simply a raised to 0, means a raised to 0 means 1 plus 0, that will get 1 upon 1 means 1, a raised to 0 log a plus 1 divided by 1 is there. So what will be your final answer, that is instead of that log a, I am writing here log to the base e of a plus, instead of 1 we can write log to the base e of e. So therefore your final answer is what is that here, therefore I am writing here L is equal to, means log of L is equal to, what is your answer here, the product of this log to the base e of a into e. So here on both sides there is a logarithm, so therefore that implies logarithm get cancelled, and comparing with this limit L is equal to, what is your answer is a into e. You have to see what is RHS in a question, what is RHS in a question. So RHS is a into e, and your result is also a into e, hence the proof. I hope you have to understand this problem very well. Now let me discuss problem number 2. Problem number 2. Prove that limit as x tends to here 0, e to the power 3x minus 5x bracket power here 1 by x, that is equal to e to the power minus 2 is there. So I am writing the solution. Let given LHS can be written as limit L, and limit L is equal to, that is a limit as x tends to here 0, e to the power 3x minus 5x bracket power 1 by x. If you are to operating the limits on this, guys, limits on this, so it will have to getting the form as, 1 raised to infinity form. I hope you have to understand this form, why there is form. When we operate x as a 0 in this bracket, it will get the indeterminate form as 1 raised to infinity. Now what is your target, taking log on both sides. So in that case taking log on both sides, so log L is equal to, that is a limit as x tends to here 0, power becomes in multiplication 1 by x into, I am taking log of here e to the power 3x minus here 5x. So therefore this is equal to, this is a limit as x tends to here 0, This can be written as a log of e to the power 3x minus 5x divided by x. Now it takes which form? It takes which form? It takes 0 divided by 0 form. And if this is 0 divided by 0 form, so by L'Hospital rule, guys, by L'Hospital rule. So what is that here? Log L becomes here limit as x tends to here 0. Derivative of numerator is, what is that? This is a log of 1 log of this e to the power 3x minus 5x. This derivative, it is a 1 upon e to the power 3x minus 5x, and into derivative of e to the power 3x is e to the power 3x into 3 minus 5x derivative minus 5 upon x derivative will be, what is that here? 1. I hope you have to able to understand this step. What is this? Now there is no any indeterminate form will max after this step, so therefore you have to directly apply the limit as. So let's see, limit as x tends to 0 means replace x by 0 in this sum. So what will get here? It will get 3 into e to the power 0 minus 5. Because of that, here we have to applying 0, means 5 into 0, that is 0. E to the power 0 means 1, and 1 upon 1 becomes 1, and into e to the power 3 into x means 3 into 0, e to the power 0 minus 5 divided by 1. So therefore log e will have to getting here 1. So instead of that 1 we can write here e to the power 0. So therefore what will becomes your total answer? Total answer is log of e, that is equal to here 3 minus 5, that will get here minus 2, right? And taking again logarithm on both sides means we have to take here again logarithm on both sides. So therefore that implies if log e is equal to minus 2, then what is that here? L is equal to here e to the power minus 2, and that is your answer. You have to check RHS of your question. You have to check RHS is what? RHS is e to the power minus 2, and hence your LHS is also e to the power minus 2, hence the proof. I hope you have to understand this very well. Now next example I am going to discuss to you, that is problem number 3. Problem 3. Prove that limit as x tends to 0, a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x divided by here 3 bracket power here 1 by x, and that is equal to under root ab. So how it will be solved, guys? How it will be solved? Let's see. Solution. Let given limit means given LHS, as I am taking here LHS, that is L is equal to limit as x tends to here 0, it will get a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x divided by here 3 bracket power here 1 by x. So this is of the form, guys, this is of the form, clearly you will know this is of the form, that is a 1 raised to infinity form is there. So therefore that's why I am taking log on both sides. So log L is equal to, this is a limit as x tends to 0. We can write now this log a now as in this way. This is a power becomes now is multiplication, and into log of I am taking here a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x divided by here 3. I hope you have to understand this step. Now this can be also written as this is equal to, this is a limit as x tends to here 0. This is a log of a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x divided by 3, and total divided by I am writing here is x. Now it takes form again 0 by 0 form. Now if this is 0 by 0 form, you have to just operate L'Hospital rule is here. So therefore by LH rule, therefore by L'Hospital rule. So what will becomes here log L, and log L is equal to, it is a limit as x tends to here 0, derivative of this log of this bracket, so it will get the term as this is a log of 1 by x, means what is that here? Log x derivative 1 by x, means this can be written as this is a 3 upon, guys, this is a 3 upon, I am writing now denominator 3 now this in this way, 3 upon here a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x into derivative of a raised to x, guys, derivative of a raised to x. How to write this derivative of a raised to x? So this will becomes a raised to x log a plus b raised to x log b plus c raised to x log c, and total divided by here 3 is there. Total divided by here 3. I hope you have to understanding after taking the L hospital rule, guys. After taking the L hospital rule, it will get now this. Means denominator 3 becomes 3 is here. So now there is a no any indeterminate forms will be happen here. So that's why directly applying the limit. So log L is equal to, applying the limit, it will get 3 upon x tends to 0, means here a raised to 0 plus b raised to 0 plus c raised to 0. Inside the bracket again I am writing a raised to 0 log of a plus b raised to 0 log of b plus c raised to 0 log of c, total divided by what you will get here 3. I hope you have to understand this very well. So this can be written as, this is a raised to 0 b raised to 0 c raised to 0 means 1, and a log of a plus log of b plus log of c, this can be written as log of abc. So what will becomes here denominator becomes totally 3, means this will get 3 upon 1 plus 1 plus 1, and inside this bracket I am writing log of a plus b plus c, this can be written as a log of a b and c, log of a b and c, right, and divided by here 3. Now this 3 and this 3 get cancelled, and so what is remaining in next step? Therefore log of L, that is equal to, what is that here remaining here, 1 upon 3 into log of abc, 1 upon 3 into log of abc. So therefore this can be also written as, this is a log of L by using log property. This multiplication term getting now in this way, log of abc, and it's a power, guys, it's a power, that is a 1 divided by 3. So therefore comparing this, if log L is equal to log of abc raised to 1 by 3, then it will get the power is also, what is that, 1 by 3. So there is a little bit change in question, so we have to show here that power is must be, that is abc bracket raised to here 1 by 3. So therefore comparing with this, comparing only, so what is that, L is equal to remaining as abc, and bracket power is, what is that here, 1 divided by 3. I hope you have to understand this. You have to observe the RHS of question is what, you have to observe the RHS of question is what, and you have to getting LHS is also same, and hence the proof, I hope you have to understand this session very well, and you have to also understood the type 5 as 1 raised to infinity, then 0 raised to 0, then infinity raised to 0. This is all about type number 5, and these are 3 example, guys. Thank you.